Hello, good morning, good evening, good night, everyone, family caregivers, older persons, and all those involved in bridging gaps and enhancing community. Welcome back to Lana's Little Things on day 56. And this is an amazing journey, as I said. So, what are we going to talk about today? It's a quick day. It's been raining all day, and I love the rain. It just is a fresh new start. Tomorrow it's going to be beautiful. Today, though, was also spent with in learning. So, workshop, well, fill my cup up with my uh, with prayer and with just spiritual upliftment. Uh, Phone calls, yes. Business calls, yes. Calls. Then educational workshop. Then medical workshop. Then another one I had to prepare for. So sometimes it goes like that. But you know what? At the end of the day, when you look back at your day, and it's Sunday, so I found a wonderful time. I hope you are also taking time to reflect on all that has happened and just, if not journal is too hard, just make some bullet points on what you learned, what was great for you. Just 3, you can find 5. And also what's going to take you on through the week. So learning today and just finishing another conference just actually spurred me on to just, you know what, I'm going to spend the next few minutes just, absorbing that, being in gratitude for that, and taking it one moment at a time, one learning at a time. We all learn, whatever our age, we learn every day. And so yes, my eyes are a little bit tired, so I have some vitamin E oil on them. I have no obligations, no science behind it. I know it just works to help with tired eyes. So you can use whatever you want, but it has been a phenomenal day. Whatever your plans are for the week, my friend, make sure that it includes someone special, learning always, leveling up, and being grateful for just a quiet time. And being grateful for all that is around us, looking around us. Right now I'm with, one cat, Phoenix. He's not too... Cats are never bothered, are they? No. But it was great. Present moment, gratitude. Mark the days. Count your days. And see every single day as a leveling up process. It was great. This was short. I just wanted to step in and say, learning is great. So is rest. So is recuperation. And the next steps. Follow your dreams. Follow your goals. From my heart to yours, Dr. Lana saying good morning, good evening, good night. And just take a chill today. Mwah.